We're going to keep talking about some percent stuff. So this problem says Brian saved 30% of the money he earned. If Brian saved $78, how much did he earn? So this is kind of like the one that we did last time. We know that we have percent, so I'm going to draw my percent bar. So my percent bar is going to be all the way across. I'm going to make it kind of big so that I can have room to show all my work. So all of the percent bar would be 100%. None of the percent bar would be 0%. We want 30%. So if we want to find 30%, that means that I can split it up into what kind of sections if we want 30%. We know that 30 can be split up into sections of 10. We can get to 30% by splitting up into sections of 10. So I'm going to split this up into sections of 10. So I'm going to say, first split it in half. It's 50%. And then split each of those into 5 sections, each half into 5 sections. So each of these bars then will be worth 10%. So this would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then split this into 5 sections. So this would be 60%, 70%, 80%, and 90%. Then 100%. So we split it into 10 sections. Each section is worth 10%. So let's read the problem again. Brian saved 30% of the money he earned. So that's this 30%. If Brian saved $78. So what's different about this problem than the one that we did last time is that last time we knew the total amount. The total amount is how much he earned. Last time we knew that total amount and we wanted to find out 30% of that. This time we know that he saved $78. So we know 30%. He saved 30% and 78 is what he saved. So 30% is 78. So 30% equals $78. This is what we already know. 30% equals $78. We want to know how much did he earn. So how much he earned was the total amount of money. That's the 100%. So this is what we're looking for. So, what we didn't mention in last week's video is that we can solve these in different ways. We can use the bar the way that it is and split it up and solve it that way, or we can solve these using proportions. So I want to show you if we were to set up a proportion, look, your proportion is already here. 30% was 78. So our proportion would be 30 over 78. And then 100% is x, so that proportion would be 100 over x, so that we can solve for x. So we could solve this proportion using cross multiplication and division. We can simplify this and find out for 100 what it would be. We can do this a bunch of different ways. So we could solve this using a proportion. Since we're already really good at solving proportions, you can use that if you're more comfortable with it. On this video though, we're going to solve it using the model because some of us like the model better. And we were focusing on the model last video, so we're going to focus on it this video. I just wanted to show y'all could do that if you wanted to. So 30% was $78, and we want to know the total amount. Well, can you get from 30 over to 100? Not very easily. So what we could do to solve that instead is we could say, well, if 30% was 78, that's 3 equal sections. So this is back to like what we did when we did those models of the proportions at the very, very beginning. 3 equal boxes equals 78. So to find out how much is in each of these boxes, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, $78 divided by 3. If we divide 78 divided by 3, so if we do 78 divided by 3, 78 divided by 3 would be 26. 3 fit into 7 2 times, that was 6. We had 1 left over, so 3 fit into 18, 6. So that means each of these sections is going to be worth $26. 26 times 3 gets us to 78. So if we want to know the total amount of money, we would take 26 times, how many sections do we have? 10. So x would equal 26 times 10, which equals $260. So that's how you do it. Thanks. See you tomorrow.